We just completed a leadership survey, and I'm currently deep in the process of analyzing the data. I found it interesting, but not surprising, that to the question of what is the biggest obstacle you face in regards to working at your own leadership development, the most consistent comment was time. Leaders are too busy and don't have enough time to focus on leadership development. I'll be honest, I've never really understood this. First, we as leaders have control over our schedule. And like any other meeting or activity, if we plan far enough in advance, we can find room in our calendar to add a leadership development activity. Secondly, with the increase of podcasts and audiobooks, there's really no excuse. If you commute to work, you have time to listen to a leadership podcast. If you exercise, you have time to listen to an audiobook. I don't commute, but I do run, and when I'm in the gym or if I'm going for a run, I find time to listen to audiobooks and listen to podcasts. My encouragement for you is if you can't find time to fit leadership development into your schedule, to try one of those two things. Fit it into your schedule just like you would any other meeting, or check out an audiobook or a podcast on your next commute to work or your next time you're at the gym.
Remember to like and comment below and subscribe for more informative content.